1.4g. Let's see. The figure shows a parallelogram PQRS. T is the point lying on SR, such that PQ perpendicular to SR, and PT equals x cm, PQ equals x minus 3 cm. If the area of parallelogram is not greater than 25 cm square, find the range of values of x. Leave your answer in the short form if necessary. Okay, that means first thing you need to write down what is the area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Can you tell me? Yeah, not difficult. You have the base, you have the height, right? So x times x minus 3 cm square, right? And the area of parallelogram not greater than 25. So this one not greater than 25. Is it this one? No, smaller or equals to 25. Not greater than, that means including 25, this value, right? Goes on. So x squared minus 3x minus 25 smaller or equals 0, right? And you need to think, maybe I write here x squared minus 3x minus 25, because this one cannot factorize, so think about by using quadratic formula. Okay, so negative b minus plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, right, over 2a. And you found that this one 3 plus or minus, here is 109 over 2. Okay, so that means 3 plus square root 109 over 2, or 3 minus square root of 109 over 2. And you know 3 minus is the smallest one, right? So write down here like this, can x minus 3 minus square root of 109 over 2 times x plus x minus 3 plus 109 square root 109 over 2, all times together smaller than or equals to 0. So positive coefficient of x squared and then smaller than 0, this situation, answer in between two values. So this one, x in between 3 minus square root of 109 over 2 and 3 plus square root of 109 over 2. Any more? Yeah, you need to think, is it the solution? Yeah, someone can think it, in something, right, correct. And you need to think the length greater than 0. Okay, for example, x minus 3 greater than 0 and x greater than 0, right? The length of the height greater than 0, length of the size greater than 0. So x minus 3 greater than 0, and you find that this one x greater than 3. So to think about this situation and this situation. Okay, so all together at the end, the range of value of x, values of x, okay, are, so you think 3 minus something and then divide by 2, which smaller than this one, right? So it's better to include this one. So at the end, x greater than 3 and this one smaller than 3 plus square root 109 over 2. Okay? Any question? So for this question about parallelogram, I think you need to pay attention about the last step. I think you can find out the area. You know the area having condition, right? Then after solve it, think more. Any other condition you need to satisfy, for example, the length greater than 0. Okay, so at the end you can find the range correctly. And one more about the quadratic part. For any quadratic inequalities, if you need to solve it but cannot factorize, think about the quadratic formula and you can find that 2 x-intercept, right? 2 x values. Okay,